Hello, this is Ronak Kotecha and welcome to my channel. Here there is no nonsense, only nonsense. Here you get crisp and drama-free news, views, reviews and experiences. Siddharth Pithani. Anyone who has followed the Sushant Singh Rajput case knows this name only too well. He is the friend and business partner of Sushant Singh Rajput, who was one of the last people to see him alive and also the first person to see him dead. By his own admission, he was the one who called the keymaker to open Sushant Singh Rajput's bedroom door and discovered his body hanging from the ceiling fan. But beyond this, there were so many inconsistencies in Pithani's version from the night of 13 June 2020 until the fateful afternoon of 14 June when SSR was found dead in his own house where Pithani had been living along with a few others. Now, another of Sushant's friend and choreographer, Ganesh Hivarkar, has claimed that Siddharth Pithani is doing really well for himself and has also bought himself a swanky Mercedes, a bungalow and 2 bodyguards. In a tweet yesterday, Ganesh Hivarkar wrote, "Already I gave many information but I don't know why they not file 302. Pithani buy a Mercedes car, 1 bungalow and 2 bodyguards. From last month I seen when agencies got information about someone, within some day they get security, car and bungalow. What is this? Doubtful Pithani in SSR case." Excuse the English, but this is what he wrote. This tweet has garnered over 1200 likes, 779 retweets and 44 quote tweets at the last count. Many have expressed surprise at Pithani's recent acquisitions, while some have even raked up pictures of Pithani's head injury that was seen in one of the pictures taken soon after Sushant Singh Rajput's death. This head injury was apparently never investigated. So far, this is just one tweet by Ganesh Hivarkar and none of the mainstream media have reported anything new on Siddharth Pithani. The media is also silent about some of the other friends of SSR who earlier came under the scanner for their conflicting statements and behaviors, including Sandeep Singh. Much like the CBI investigation, where as of now there is just deathly silence and no sign of any development except the last statement by the agency that it is still investigating all the angles in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Let me know your thoughts on this particular story and where the Sushant Singh Rajput case is headed. We can of course chat on my Instagram. My handle is @reviewron. Subscribe here if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't do any of that, as always, I would like to thank you for watching.